Hi everybody, my name is Andrew Mansheim. I'll be your math instructor this summer for college algebra. I'm thrilled to have everyone in class. Looking forward to getting to meet and speak with each and every one of you. So I've taught at Blackhawk College for about 5 years, and college algebra is a class I frequently teach. And I've taught it online several summers. So I'm really looking forward to starting this class, and math's always been something I've always enjoyed because 2 plus 2 is 4. You can't argue that. It's white or black. There's no gray area. I think what I'm going to do is I don't want to eat up too much of everyone's time. I wanted to show you a few things today. Just wanted to show you how to register for your homework you'll be using this summer, and I'll also be showing you a few things within the homework software. So you'll log into Canvas. If you're not too familiar with Canvas, please let me know. And if you don't have your login information, I can get that for you pretty quick. So that's just a matter of calling IT. So once you're logged in, you should see your courses and find Math 112 301. That's our section. So what you're going to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom. There's this MyLab and Mastering tab. You're going to use that, but first what you're going to need to do is click on this Modules tab, and we're going to be using what's called Direct Digital Access, and that's how you will be accessing your homework, which the homework software is called MyMathLab. So you're going to scroll down to where it says Red Shelf eBooks, and click on that, and you're going to get a code. Once this loads, you're going to have to copy and paste a pretty long code. So look for this green icon that says View Course Materials. Click on that, and you'll need to click on Acquire Code. Copy and paste this super long code. Looks like gibberish. I just Control-C all of that. So now you're going to go back to that MyLab and Mastering tab at the very bottom that I was talking about earlier. I just went in and clicked on that, and it'll take a minute to load. That code you just copied, you're going to paste that into the next page here in a moment. And you may have to type in some other information like your name, and I believe it'll ask you to create a username and password. So you'll have to agree to some terms and conditions. But click on this yellow tab, or you can also, if you scroll down, click on one of these student links. Okay? So once you do that, whether you click on that yellow tab or one of these links, you'll be asked to create an account, agree to those terms and conditions I talked about, as well as creating username and password. Just copy that code once they ask you for that, and you'll be off and running. It's going to take you into the homework software. So let's take a look at that right now. I just clicked on one of those student links. This looks different for me because I'm on the instructor side of things. So you can see all of your assignments for the 8 weeks, and I'm just going to randomly click on one of these, like the section 1.4 homework. I'm going to click on a question. So the neat thing about the homework is you can always get 100%, because if you get a question wrong 3 times, then you can always redo the problem. And some of you may be familiar with MyMathLab. So I'll try to not spend too much time on this, but I'm going to make up an answer here. I just entered in an incorrect answer on purpose. Check answer, it's going to say it's wrong. I'm going to get it wrong 3 times in a row on purpose. And just to show you, it'll show you the correct answer. But you can always just click similar exercise. This is a multi-step problem, so I have to get this one wrong 3 times as well real quick. And there we go. So you're going to click on similar exercise, and you can always get 100% in your homeworks if you want to. You can also use this question help off to the side. View an example is pretty helpful. You can ask me how to do a problem as well, and that'll go directly to my email. So I think that's all I want to show you for now, but please message me if you have any questions. I'll be in contact with everyone during this first week of classes, and I'm very excited. I think these 2 months or so are going to go pretty quickly. So I'll talk with everyone here shortly. Have a good evening.